Hey guys, today it's Nathan here. Today I'll be doing the burping challenge. But I'll drink like something here and to like highlight I can do a burp. But so I hope you like my Zygote opening tin. Got it right here. Sorry. I opened this tin and got some very good luck at this tin with it. So let's set that aside. And then in next week, in next week, I'll be doing a Yvel toy opening, so I'll be quite excited. So let's do this. Okay, I wasn't that loud, but I'll try again. Maybe better or not.